Clear Brow, North Dallas, 23 Bronco Raptor, full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus, ceramic over the bra. We didn't use the Fusion because this person wanted a much longer ceramic than a 4-year, which comes with the Fusion PPF. We did a windshield protection, and we did XR Plus window film on the windshield and on the front doors. He didn't want anything in the back, so we left that with the factory privacy glass, which has no heat rejection or UV. The fender flares were done with a matte finish PPF, paint protection film. It's called Stealth by Xpel. And all the bluish paint, whatever color that is, was done. The headlights were done. What else did we do? And that's about it. So let's take a quick walk around. Little things that we do, like take these pieces out so that we can wrap all the way in. We make sure that our hood, this had to be polished. It had a lot of contamination on it from the rail head, meaning when the rail hits its brakes, all that, those filings off of those brakes will land on the tops and some of the sides of the cars. Well, they call that either fallout or rail dust. Google that. Rail dust on paint or fallout on paint from transportation. You'll see what it says, but we get all that off so that we can have a nice smooth surface. And when you're getting a car wrapped with vinyl paint protection film, you want to make sure your installer's doing a decontamination of the paint. You may think it's clear when you pick it up and nice, but it's not. There's always going to be some sort of contamination. A lot of stuff flying around in the air. We don't like to think that, and we're breathing it too. So moving forward, all these were done all in one piece, no seaming. They call for some seams. I don't do that. These pieces were all done. The fenders, obviously, all wrapped in. The doors, fully wrapped under the moldings. The doors wrapped under the handles, fully wrapped around. Everything was done really nice and a lot of care. Again, one piece, this piece, everything's done with the stealth film there, gloss here, the fuel port, all wrapped in nice and neat. All this is wrapped under here, so there's no lines. Everything was wrapped around the back, the door, tire removed for a nice clean install. Much more the same over here. Pretty basic vehicle with no roof to do or anything. I guess if it came in a gloss paint, you would be doing that. I don't know if it does, but everything was done very well. The A-pillars all wrapped in. So we have protection here, protection on the windshield, and protection here for everything on the front. This windshield is going to take a beating just like that G-Wagon or a Jeep product with the flat windshields. But there you go, fully done, ready to go. Appreciate you guys watching Clear Brow, North Dallas's YouTube channel. Any suggestions, let us know. Any questions you may have about maybe you're removing something off a car. We do a lot of pieces that are not so difficult to remove. We don't get into some of the things, but we might have an answer for you. And there you go. As far as pricing, if you could write us on clearbrownnorthdallas.com. I don't like putting pricing on here in the event I don't remove it, and 5 years down the road somebody wants that old price. You can understand that. So we have inflation, we have prices that go up, everything goes up, rent, product, whatever. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bronco 23 Raptor, full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus with a Fine Lab ceramic and a window tint with XR Plus on the windshield and 2 front doors. So there you go. I'm Brent, and take care.